Hello my friends, David Kessler here and welcome back for the very final video in this series. I tell you, I am beat. I will learn my lesson that this size canvas is a little bit big for doing a really fast demo like this. And I know you think it's gone on forever, but really in the studio here it's passed pretty quickly. I got a few things, I did a little analysis here and I got just a few things that I want to do. I may do more things later. I just need a little bit more time to look at it, but I think I need to lighten this area a little bit. The things on the video, I was looking at the camera, it looks a little darker than it really is, but I may take some of this and erode this edge just a little bit and lighten some of this up so that this stands out as darker and that stands out as darker. I'm not crazy about this edge here. I might try to bring some of this color in here. So I'll pull this in and pull that in and lighten that up a little bit. And then this beautiful minty G color of mine, I sort of used it once here. I used it some other areas and covered it up, so I might add a little bit here or a little bit down here. And that's really it. I don't want to do too much. I don't want to overwork now. I'd rather do a few things and take the time to look at it later and make any adjustments that I need to do. So anyway, let's stop talking and start painting. The easiest one first. I'll get a little bit of this color and put down here just so I have it in more than one area in the painting, and that looks like crap. Because I'm going over dry paint, so that doesn't really look good there. So if we blend it in a little better, that's a little better. Okay. Okay, easy enough. Oh, I am using a lot of brushes. Whew. Oh, crazy. All right. I wanted to do something here. This is going to be tough to do, but you know, that's why they pay me the big dollars. Hard to go back in and replicate color, you know. Sort of what I had in mind, just to get rid of that, edge a little bit right there. Sorry, that click in the ferrule on this brush is a little bit loose, so apologize for that noise. Let's hit this area here. Let's just kind of extend this in here a little bit, just to get rid of that, just to get rid of a little bit of that edge right there. It always sounds easier when you say, oh, well, I need to do this and I need to do that, and it sounds easy, but then when you get in here to work on it, man, trying to match any sort of color or value you had before is a lot more difficult than you think. Oh, okay. All right, so this is lighter, this comes in, so this is a dark area, a darker area, and a darker area. I think that looks better. This comes in, it penetrates a little bit. Not such a hard edge. I like that better. Okay. All right, I mean for now, for me, that's gonna be it. I need to put my John Hancock on here, which will be here. I think I'll use this a lighter value of the indigo blue. That looks pretty good. It's a little bit dark, but is what it is now. There it is. Woo! All done, at least for now. There may be a few things that I do later on, but they would be, you know, smaller movements, nothing big, no gigantic, you know, value changes or anything like that. So thanks for, you know, if you stuck with me for the 6 videos, thanks a lot for that. I hope it was helpful. I hope you learned something about, you know, working on the palette or making the colors ahead of time so that you don't have to think about color decisions as you paint. Now let's review, you know, did I do predominantly blue painting? Yes. Did I do non-dominant blue-green? Yes, you can see a good bit of blue-green in there. Did I use, you know, violet and blue-violet and red-violet for accents? And yes, I mean, here's blue-violet and violet and red-violet all together to make my accent area. So I met my intentions for the painting, which is really what I wanted to do. I didn't know I was going to make a landscape painting, but I don't have a problem with that. I mean, it's fine. I've painted plenty of landscape paintings before. So I hope it was helpful for you. Thanks for sticking with me. See you on the next video.